Sngi Pynkut ya ka college week jongka Northern Bhoi college Diwon menta Sngi hapon du ya hall jongka khandai teregunai wing arajar arab sau ya ka bah ka program kaladon ka jong Pynkup Burom ya ke sambala pule ke bala pendap ya ka bi hakasen ka benengkong nak ka college na ka benta ka jong usnam arajar arboe hadu usnam arajar arab sau hakane ka singi lawan ko mukongsan da chairman jong ka college uba meral bon sim bada ka jinga don lang principal ka Bhoi college usar EC Beni nanta ke managing committee uba W Shila principal kanotlo higher secondary school uba Hastings sim kino hika jong kaneka college lambat baro ke sambala pule jong kaneka college.
Dr. Dedi Lepan being my mentor, walaupun mentor, is always strive ahead with a positive thinking in mind that he has to uplift education in various parts of the Bhoi district. And the dream and aspiration that he has in the past, that one day Umden area will have one college. This has been a dream since the year in the beginning of 2000, 2005, 2008, 2010, and it has been materialized in 2021. And in the past 3 years, we have experienced a lot of challenges from the sponsoring body. How to have a proper classroom, how to manage the management or the salary of the teachers, how to cope up with the academic issue that we have, how to cope up with the national education policy that has been in place. It is not an easy task, but as a sponsoring body, we are not losing any hope, and we are very optimistic that the dream and aspiration that each and every family members, especially the poor family of this area, they are having. Those who cannot afford to send their children to Nongpo or to Shillong, they can have the same education at par with other college and university here at the very doorstep of this particular area.
At least for now, we should be now concentrating on our studies. 3 years, 4 years, I must study myself as much as I can, in whatever way I can. And I should not face any problems in my studies. If I face problems, I need to solve it myself. I cannot say I am poor, I don't have the fees, I don't have the power to study, I don't have the intelligence to study. No, you must try to realize your own dream. Put a small target. The target keep changing. Now once you have finished your studies, go for the next target. I am telling you that if you ever find yourself in problems like money, you must remember that you are physically fit. Everyone is born as normal human beings. We have every opportunity to make our needs, to meet our needs, be it studies, be it something else. If you have money, it's good. If you do not have money, you can make some money and make your life better. You can work as part-time, buy a small laptop or a smartphone. Using that, you are able to get all the necessary study materials now, because everything is available on the internet.